Hey, do you like Cabernet Sauvignon, but maybe you're looking for an alternative? Wow, this is day one of the wine advent calendar, and we're not talking Cabernet Sauvignon alternatives. We're talking about Cabernet Sauvignon. King of wines to pair with steak. Cabernet Sauvignon they're big red wines, right? Usually a black fruit profile, black currants, black cherries, black berries. Wines, if they're done in oak, can see some vanilla and baking spices and maybe even some leather, cedar box notes, cigar box, things like that. It's grown, it's fairly easy to grow. So it's grown all over the world. My favorite areas for Cabernet Sauvignon I do love Napa Valley Cabernet Sauvignon. Well, I haven't been buying a lot of that lately. I'm going to do a video because I think soon on the 2023 vintage, because I think that might change things up for me a little bit. And prices are coming down. Speaking of prices coming down, I love Bordeaux wines. The wines from Bordeaux are coming down in price year over year. Although they're blends, right, there are certain appellations where Cabernet Sauvignon is dominant and you really get that big Cabernet Sauvignon grip. Australia does great Cabernet Sauvignon, Chile as well, and Argentina is coming on really strong. There's some really good wines, Cabernet Sauvignon wines from Argentina. So do keep an eye out and don't hesitate to explore those. That's all I got for you right now. We'll see you tomorrow for day 2.